And 6'9", number 7, Vic Enisi.
Ang nag-iisang Filipino-Australian sa bayan ng superstars ang ating bibigyan ng pansin ngayong araw. Sino pa ang ating tinutukoy kundi itong si Vic Enisi ng Red Bull. Tulad ng karamihang big men ng ibang kupunan, kasama din si Enisi sa mga pinagpipiliang players ng selekta at happy para sa darating na Asian Games. Isang karangalan daw para kay Vic na makasama sa tryouts na ito.
To represent your country, that's the greatest honor you can have, and just to play with all the great players, it's been fun. It really has. I've enjoyed it.
Walang kasing hirap daw ang tryouts, pero gano'n naman daw talaga ang kalalabasan.
Sometimes, you know, a guy needs to have a banana. That's what we say when someone cracks a fit. You know, go get your banana. You know, there's a gorilla. But, you know, everyone's, like I said, on the same page, and, you know, we're all working hard. And sometimes you expect a little more out of your teammates, you know, because everyone, you know, is on a high level. But, yeah, everyone's got along well.
Obvious namang nakasama si Enisi sa happy na kupunan dahil sa height nito. Pero hindi lamang yun. Alam naman ng lahat ang kakayahan ni Vic sa depensa at pagdating sa rebounding. Ibang klase din ang kanyang outside shooting na kaiba para sa isang higanting tulad niya. Mga bagay na kakailanganin ng bansa sa mga bakbakan sa Asian Games. Walang kasing hirap daw ang misyon ng bansa.
You know, it's hard to stop 7'6" when you're 6'9". You know, when they turn around, basically you got these elbows in your face, and it's going to be tough. You know, if they get close to the basket and they're good passes, good shooters, we got a hands full.
Pero para kay Vic Enisi, kailangan gawin ang lahat para makuha uli ng bansa ang gintong medalya sa Asia. Ito lang daw ang dapat isa-isip ng lahat.
There's going to be a lot of pressure because, you know, everyone's putting pressure on the gold. You need to win gold. If you don't win gold, then, you know, second best is not good enough. That certainly is a lot of pressure. So is basketball, so we got to take it.